a lot of times we get these gifted, incredibly gifted entrepreneurs, and what's happening is they're falling victim to imposter syndrome, right? That feeling that, oh my gosh, everything's going to get taken away from me, or oh my gosh, everything always feels like it's broken all the time. And it's not, or maybe it is. We don't know, but we have all of this cloud. We have this cloud of stress and anxiety just floating around as entrepreneurs, especially when you go from 5 clients to 20, right? Which could represent 25 grand a month to 100 a month, right? That's a huge, huge leap. In what we get caught up in is, on paper, everything looks good, but we feel like everything is broken. Or vice versa, right? Everything is broken, and we don't know if it's a mechanical issue or a mental issue. And here's the solution, okay? You build robust systems, operations, and decision-making parameters. You operate off data, and you have some sort of KPI and indicators. And so what happens when I feel like everything is burning down, or we have clients feel like everything is burning down, we've built them this robust system, right? It's almost like bumpers on a bowling alley. And all they have to do is look at the dashboard and say, okay, this was done on time, this is done, 3x ROI on this, 100% retention. Mechanically, nothing is broken. Now, mechanically, if nothing is broken, but we feel like everything is broken, we know it's here, which means we can laser focus on fixing whatever is here. Conversely, if we look at our dashboard and we go, oh, this thing is broken, everything else is good, but this thing is broken right here. This didn't get done in time. This didn't get sent out. This ad stopped working. Our salesperson's not closing. You or the whole organization can then laser focus on the thing instead of everybody running around trying to figure out what's going on. Some people think it's mental, mechanical. Some people think it's this. When we have a system built, right, and it is robust and accurate, what happens is we just look and we say, that's what's broken. Now let's focus all of our energy on fixing the broken thing. We don't have to worry. We don't have the stress and anxiety. We just have focus, right? And when we look at our dashboard and nothing is broken, that's fine too. We know it's here. Right? We know it's here, and we have to start working on fixing whatever thought patterns we're having, whatever imposter syndrome we're dealing with, whatever it is, right? But the only way we can get through that quickly is having a system and a procedure, decision-making parameters, and checks and balances in place that just alert us, hey, something's wrong, and we fix it, right? Or we wake up in the middle of the night and we can't sleep because we're entrepreneurs and that's how we operate, right? We're like, oh my God, something's wrong. I'm going to lose it all. Things are going to break. Imposter syndrome is a very powerful thing. And we can look at our dashboard. We can look in our Asana. We can look in our operating, wherever we do our operations. And we can say, oh, nothing's broken. Maybe that calms us down. Maybe we still have this sense of stress and anxiety, which means we start working here. Maybe we meditate every day. Maybe we talk to a mindset coach. Maybe we work on whatever we need to work on. Maybe we take a day off and go fishing, right? Nothing's broken. You got to work here. But you need to know. You need to look at it and say, what is broken? That's broken, so that you, your team, or the people in charge responsible for that task can be laser focused on fixing it instead of having this general stress and anxiety that doesn't accomplish much. And so that's it. It takes, if you're new, it might take 6 to 8 weeks to build a robust system if you really buckle down and do it and have somebody pull it out of you. Obviously, we do this for people. I'm not going to put a link anywhere. Thebulletproofsystem.com. Thebulletproofsystem.com. If you want to apply, I'll just talk to you and tell you if there's some low-hanging fruit. I'll just give it to you. But that's the answer, really. If you don't have that, you will always just have this cloud of anxiety around you and this, do I scale? Do I scale back? I'm scared. Are things broken? And if you want certainty, you go to thebulletproofsystem.com, or you just start dialing in your systems, your operations, like, books on the EOS system and stuff like that are super useful if you can implement, which is where most people get stuck. But I would do that ASAP before you worry about anything else. I would get that in place if you can already sell. And so that's what I got for you. Again, thebulletproofsystem.com if you just want to talk about it. But there's plenty of resources for you to really build out these robust decision-making parameters and checks and balances. It will change your life. You will scale so much faster with so much less stress and anxiety. So if you schedule a call, we'll talk. If not, buckle down and really get on this, because it will change. It will change the quality of your life, and you'll make a lot more money.